We talk about this all the time, but any investment you make in yourself or in your business is worth it. If you treat your blog like a hobby because that's what makes you happy, that's great. Any business needs tools and software to grow. Let's talk about the essential tools every blog should implement to gain more website visits and increase revenue. Starting a blog has never been easier, but with the ease of access comes greater competition in the space. The right tools and software give you an advantage and a better chance of succeeding with your blogging business. There are plenty of useful tools out there, but let's take a look at our favorites, and why we recommend each. What are the best blogging tools? There are so many aspects of our blogging business that we have to get right. Website hosting and design, a nice logo, email marketing, social media, keyword research, the list goes on. Plus, running a blog is demanding as far as putting out a constant stream of new and useful content for your readers, complete with the right SEO to get you recognized by Google. We need the right tools and software to stay on track and continue to grow. So here are our best blogging tools with some commentary for each. 1. Bluehost. The best web hosting for your blog. Bluehost is the most trusted web hosting service on the market by a long shot. It is extremely reliable and has a full complement of features that make starting your own website a breeze. Your blog is a collection of files that live on the internet. Bluehost offers the servers you need to store those files for very cheap. Plus, when you use our link, you will get 66% off your hosting through Bluehost. Once you have your website hosting set up, you'll need a website builder like WordPress to organize all your files in a manner that makes sense for your website visitors. 2. Divi by Elegant Themes. Most popular WordPress theme in the world. The Divi theme by Elegant Themes is a carefully crafted WordPress theme for your website. It offers complete customization with a full complement of drag and drop elements so you can get your site looking just the way you want. I speak from experience when I tell you this theme is worth it if you have the extra money to spare. It will save you tremendous time and effort in the short term and in the long run. 3. ConvertKit. Best email marketing software. Email marketing software gives you the highest return on investment, ROI, among marketing channels minus $38 for every $1 spent. With a return like that, it's imperative to focus on building out an automated email sequence that converts your audience into customers. ConvertKit is the #1 trusted email software for creators, with impressive testimonials from big names such as Pat Flynn and Tim Ferriss. The rise's popularity is largely due to its simplicity, the #1 reason I recommend it, and its advanced segmentation capabilities. The emails look like they are sent directly from a Gmail account, and the simple tagging system allows you to send certain emails to the people that truly care about the content. Key features. 1. Unlimited landing pages and forms. 2. Email broadcasts. 3. Community support, live chat, and email support, in paid version. 4. Automated funnels and sequences. 5. Free courses and training. 6. Email autoresponders. 7. Integrations with leading e-commerce tools. 8. Fully customizable templates. 9. Build an email list with free email sign-up forms. 4. Surfer SEO. Essential SEO to boost search rankings. This one may be the least sexy to talk about, but that doesn't make it any less important. SEO is essential to any affiliate marketing business that relies on organic traffic. Proper SEO and the right semantic keywords within your web pages can be the difference between page 1 and page 2 on Google. Depending on the search volume for that keyword, it could mean the difference between 100,000 website visits, and thousands in affiliate commissions, and very little traffic at all. Surfer SEO helps ensure that you are using all the appropriate semantic keywords Google is looking for to help you move up in the search rankings. So, when Google is searching through the various articles related to a specific search, they scan the article for keywords and phrases. Surfer SEO tells you exactly what those phrases are for each specific keyword and gives you a score based on how many of each phrase you use in your article. The higher your score, the more likely you will show up on page 1 of a Google search around your target keyword. The implications are huge. Key features. 1. Generate a perfect content strategy. 2. Rank your content higher in Google search. 3. Build article outlines. 4. Content suggestions. 5. Jasper. The most advanced AI writing tool. Believe it or not, blogging isn't about writing. Successful bloggers aren't spending countless hours writing content. Instead, they are assembling content with tools like Jasper. Jasper is a powerful AI writing tool that is trained to take a target keyword and produce content, in this case a blog article, with all the relevant words and phrases Google expects to see in a top article. So, for your bloggers looking for a tool that helps you produce more content with maximum efficiency, Jasper is for you. Simply start a sentence or give it a headline, and Jasper will write the article for you. Integrate with Surfer SEO and you'll be producing quality content optimized for Google in no time. Key features. 1. Create original content that ranks. 2. Optimized SEO for Google. 3. Assemble content 10x faster. 4. Surfer SEO integration. 6. Fiverr. Outsource your online business. If you're unfamiliar with Fiverr, you are missing out on one of the most useful tools of our generation. There are people on there offering every skill under the sun, from video editing and website design to social media management and logo design. Whatever you need to keep your online business moving forward, there are people there to help you get there. Definitely check out the endless freelance services offered on Fiverr. Notable services. 1. Website design. 2. Logo design. 3. Video editing. 4. Social media management. 5. Ad creation. 6. SEO. 7. Illustration. 8. Data entry. 9. The list is endless. 7. WordPress. Build your website with WordPress. While Bluehost provides the servers to store all of your files online, WordPress is the website builder that allows you to organize those files in a manner that makes sense for your readers. WordPress is completely free and offers the most comprehensive selection of features through an endless library of plugins and other tools. Trusted by over 43% of websites online, WordPress is the go-to solution for building your website. Key features. 1. Customizable designs. 2. SEO-friendly. 3. Responsive mobile sites. 4. High security. 5. Powerful media management. Any successful business must leverage tools and software to operate and grow. As a blogger, we have a lot going on, from producing content, designing our website, updating social media channels, sending out emails, and so on and so forth. We need to know when to invest our profits back into the business so that we can become more efficient and eventually more profitable. I say it all the time, but the best investment you can ever make is in yourself and in your business. So, if you've found a tool on this list that will save time and make you more money, there's no need to feel bad about the investment. I currently use all of these tools in my business, and while some of them aren't cheap, they allow me to produce more content in an effort to grow the business and grow the bottom line. I recommend each of these tools because I personally use them in my business in an effort to be more efficient in my activities. If you've found a tool you think will help you out, give it a try. Most of these tools have free trials or money-back guarantees, so use those to your advantage where you can. Other than that, the best advice we can ever give is to just start rocket. As always, we wish you nothing but success. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.